Okay, I've come to the conclusion that we just have too much junk in our garage. That's what it is. Anyway, what I'm up to is I'm building a lift for my wife's hardtop for her Jeep TJ. So this is what I've got designed. So I have a 2x4, huge eye bolts coming through it. So two on each, or one on each side, and one in the center, and then ratchet straps around. Hopefully, what I think is the balance point of that hardtop with the hatch on that side and the front end on that side. It's probably about the center of it. I'll soon find out when I try and lift it. Anyway, the cable going up, 2x4 there, which you can see is I got U-bolts, or U-bolts going around the frame of the ceiling and around that 2x4 with the cable coming through. Here's another one, exact same setup here, and two pulleys, obviously, pulley coming down to our winch, our hand winch, which I picked up at the Screaming Deal of about 28 bucks. So the thing is, I just gotta wait for my wife to get back so she can help me sort of guide this, because as you can see, I'm doing it at an angle, but once it lifts up, it'll be tucked up and out of the way off to the side, which will be great. There's the CUDA's out of the way for a little bit. Yeah, so we'll just get her to help me guide that up as someone does the winch, and hopefully it'll slide right over into place. Hopefully it's balanced, then it should just stay there. I'll give you an update in a sec. Well, she's up. Had to do a bit of a modification. If you look at the first video when it was still on the ground, you'll see what I mean. I basically, at first, we were cranking this crank up, the winch, the hand crank here, you'll see it here, and then the whole bar for the top of the stairs here, the whole railing was starting to lift off. I thought, oh great, that needs to be more secured because I have all that weight on there. So basically just jimmied it up with some extra 2x4s and some wood, screwed it all down to the base of the stairs, which is attached to the house. And so that was secure. Started cranking it up. Had to adjust that one 2x4 as a balance point, move it a little bit back. And then what I did in the end, I can't show you the top of it there, but you'll see the one hook in the front. I have another ratchet strap. Let's see if I can get around here and show you. Excuse my mess here. Yeah, you'll see it there. See that third ratchet strap going from the top to the front? I just used that, got up on a ladder and ratchet strapped it just to balance it out so it would be nice and level. But our Jeep hardtop is now raised above the roof. Oh, I had to cut the end of the garage track. See how this one sticks out so much farther? But it's all that extra room, you don't need it. So I moved the stopper on it and moved it down and cut off the end. And it seems to work just fine. So yeah, job done. Only took me quite a while, but nice to have it out of the way.